Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca Victorian ceiling fan. Got this fan from Matthew, which is Ceiling Fan Man 96. I just bought this fan. It was just the motor and the hang true. Did not come with blades. These blades are from my Zephyr. You can probably tell from the imprint. Has stencil blades. The Zephyr that I stole the blades from. That fan's from 1983. I'm not sure what year this fan's from. I'll put it up on the screen. Got trashed and shipping a bit. Got this fan for $150. You can see the side bands pushed in there, and then the switch housing's bent. But you know, what am I gonna do? And the side bands pushed in there too. But yeah, this fan has new bearings in it, and I'm going to be doing a video once I complete it because it needs canopy screws, blades. Well, I have the blades. I just have this set on here because the blade just came today, and then I'm going to put a light kit on it. But anyways, we will go to low. This fan sometimes does not work on low. I don't know why, so worked on low this time. So this fan was previously slumber quiet, but it was converted to 3-speed because I assumed the slumber quiet was dead. Go to medium now. Here's high speed. It wobbles quite a bit. Probably because the blade arms are a little bent. Got bent in shipping, plus this whole thing got messed up in shipping, so. Stuff around. Here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.